In a land where imagination takes flight and magic fills the air, counting to 10 becomes an enchanting journey. Today, we invite you to join us on an extraordinary adventure, unlocking the magic, counting to 10 with fairy friends. Picture a world where each number reveals a new wonder, guided by delightful beings with shimmering wings and sparkling dust. Our story begins in the heart of Enchanted Grove, a lush forest where light dances through emerald leaves and whispers of enchantment float on the breeze. Here, amidst the vibrant flora and fauna, reside the fairy friends, each with a unique charm and a gift for magic. They have gathered today to reveal the secrets behind the numbers 1 to 10, transforming them from mere symbols into keys unlocking untold tales. Meet Faye, the keeper of beginnings, whose gentle touch brings the first glimmer of magic. 1, she whispers, as a single golden leaf flutters down, glowing bright as it touches the forest floor. This is the essence of unity, the foundation upon which all else is built. In this singular leaf lies the promise of possibilities. Next, we encounter twins Tia and Theo, fluttering side by side. 2, they chime, their voices harmonizing in perfect union. With a flick of their wands, 2 butterflies emerge, mirroring their synchronized dance. 2 speaks of partnership, the balance and harmony found in companionship. The air twinkles with mischief as Treble appears, a fairy known for his jovial nature. 3, he declares, juggling 3 shimmering crystals. The number 3, with its rhythm and charm, represents creativity and expression, shaping stories, melodies, and laughter. Onward we go, to where Flora, the nurturer, tends her garden. 4, she says, as 4 blossoms bloom in vivid colors. The number 4 stands for stability, represented by the 4 seasons, 4 cardinal points, a sturdy structure grounding us in the natural world. As we delve deeper, a serene melody drifts by, woven by Quintia, the muse of music. 5, she sings, strumming strings that weave harmonies like silken threads. 5 leads us to the senses, the quintessence of being alive. Each sense a window to the world's wonders. The journey continues with Hex, ever the playful trickster. 6, he exclaims, conjuring a kaleidoscope of stars. 6 is a number of growth and nurturing, reflecting the 6 facets of creation with its blend of mystery and logic. Suddenly, the forest brightens as Luminara appears, her aura a brilliant glow. 7, she states as the colors of the rainbow arch above. 7, a number of perfection, connects the earthly with the celestial, promising wisdom and destiny intertwined. Octavia, the architect of possibilities, constructs a majestic bridge. 8, she articulates, illustrating infinity and the flow of energy. 8 is the eternal dance, the symbol of boundlessness and prosperity, a reminder of life's continuous cycle. Nina approaches, weaving tales of insight and courage. 9, she narrates, as 9 fireflies illuminate the dusk. 9 symbolizes completion and the wisdom of experiences gathered along life's journey, leading us to profound understanding. Finally, Decimus arrives, heralding the end of our magical exploration. 10, he proclaims, and the world seems to reset and renew. 10 represents the full circle, a culmination of lessons and a prelude to new beginnings. As we leave this wondrous realm, let us carry forth the enchantment bestowed by our fairy friends. These numbers, transcending their mundane roles, are now imbued with meaning and magic. Let us treasure the unity of 1, the balance of 2, the creativity of 3, and all the way to the boundless potential of 10. As we return to our world, may we forever count on the magic that numbers bring to life's every moment.